So I just got an idea, which is um, this idea sprung out of this problem that I'm having because I constantly take a lot of Google Keep notes. For example, so I'll just open up my Keep right here. I take a lot of notes and I sometimes color code them, try to organize them, but I have a lot of notes, go down easily more than 1,000 notes, and the problem is that this is getting unorganized. For example, what I try to do is green is personal notes, teal colors for jinxed, purple are business ideas. um, I don't know what this is. I think this is for a workshop. Blue is for content and stuff, and then I keep on doing this stuff, and it gets hard. So I thought hey, what if we could make our own Google Keep, but with AI features that could auto tag my content, to study it. I can chat with my notes, and set custom reminders, blah blah blah, etc etc. Because Google Keeps it's such a great tool, but I see that there's so much more room for improvement, and yeah, I just can't wait for I can't wait for Google to push an update. So I'm just gonna build my own, and I am currently using Cloud Code to build it out. So yeah, let's just wait. I'm just making my own custom agent. So this is yeah, continue. Boom. We'll use Sonnet, and we use yellow for this agent. So we're just creating our own agent at this moment. It's an agent inside Cloud Code that does very specific tasks. So I made an agent for that is a senior software engineer specializing in mobile responsive development and clear technical communication. They have 10 plus years of experience building applications that work seamlessly across all device sizes, and they excel at explaining it. They excel at explaining it I'm a 5-year-old basically. So anyways, I'm gonna go back, gonna do press S to save. All right, cool. So we've made our own cloud agent. Now let's go back. Let's escape / and I am just gonna make sure I have everything up and ready, and I think we're good. So all right, so I am now going to take my stuff from here. I've already prepared the BRD for this, so I'm just going to tell it hey, I want to create call out code, etc. Plan my project, etc etc. I've already saved my MD file. MD it's basically the project instructions. I already made my own file. So this is the MD file. All right, so I've already given it core instructions, what I'm trying to achieve, and I did make this with AI any which ways. But yeah, there's some features drag and drop node reordering, auto save functionality, blah blah blah. And yeah, and I'm just going to place my original prompt back into this thing, and they're just going to hit enter, and oops, yeah, back into Cloud Code, and we're going to hit enter, and now Cloud Code is contemplating. It keeps changing this this dialogue and it's kind of hilarious, but yeah, it's pretty much doing its own thing. And do you want Cloud to fetch this content? I'm going to be yes, and it's going to basically run through Google Keep and see what it's using the internet. It's asking me, can I use the internet? And now it wants to search for functionality and UIDs. I'm saying yes. Okay, I'm just gonna see what it's gonna do, and wait, let me just grab a chair really quickly. Oh, my leg. Yeah, and now it's symbioting. Hilarious. So, yeah, it's gonna take its time. It's gonna do its thing. And yeah, basically it's taking my prompt, it's going through the web and finding stuff. My prompt was hey, I want to make an AI clone of Google Keep. That's step one, and then I'm going to add my own features. I already briefed it on that. So that's the initial point of discussion. It has made its own tools, so I'm just going to review stuff. Research Google Keep features. Okay, it's done with that. It's going to choose an appropriate tech stack now for the clone, and it's gonna like tell me like, hey, is this tech stack fine? Okay, wait, oh, okay, no worries. It's it's already like fucking be like, okay, fuck, we're gonna take this tech stack. Let's just review this once. Google AI clone. Based on my research, here's a comprehensive plan for your Google Keep clone. Core MVP, note types, text note with rich formatting, check to-dos, image notes, throw CR. Color coding, 8 colors with A. Okay, perfect. Pin unpin, UI UX sticky note grid. Yeah, that's I just wanted the way Google Keep is because I love it's like a habit for me. Backend is going to be Next.js, fine. But Prisma as ORM, I'm going to check out what that is. Postgres SQL for database, better for AI features later. Okay, cool. Storage, Cloudinary for image storage, OpenAI Whisper for audio transcription, Versal for deployment, fine, fair enough. Front end Frame of Motion, oh, awesome. I'm excited to use Frame of Motion actually on this project. Let's see how it goes. And obviously you have your Tailwind, you have your Next.js, which is like your basic stuff. You'll see that common. AI integrations, we'll use GPT-4, Pinecone for vector embeddings. Yes, this is exactly what we need to use in order for us to like chat with our nodes, like to embed and like store like weights and like what do you say, embeddings. I mean, okay, I'm gonna to explain embeddings. Basically, like it remembers like the association of things, and like you can like search things faster. Like I guess that's the best way to explain. Like when you prompt stuff and you want something fast and like in that very specific way and format, like that's how embeddings kind of work. All right, fuck it, I'll just make another video sometime. LangChain for AI orchestration, cool. Excited, never used LangChain, but excited to see what it can do. Project structure, cool. Okay, would you like me to start implementing this? Can begin with this. I'm gonna be like, yes, bro. Yes. Okay, cool. And perfect. Let me start building a group. We're going to begin by setting up the project structure. It's made a new to-do list, and it's gonna install a bunch of stuff now. I should have actually connected my SSD. Keep clone, Tailwind, ESLint. Okay, cool. Yeah, cool. Yes. Would you like to use TurboPack? No. Bash echo Y. Keep clone script. Yeah, sure. Basically, it's like bashing is like shell commands, and like which is like system kind of commands, if that makes sense. I don't know. Bash echo Y, npx create next app, latest, keep clone, TypeScript, Tailwind, ESLint, app, src directory, import alias, and that something. I don't know. Yeah, cool. It's doing something. It's osmosing at this point. Alright, I'm gonna pause the video right now.